Today we are going to talk about the 4 major disadvantages of being silent that can completely ruin your life. But before that, we would also like to mention some benefits of silence so that you can understand yourself better. 4 major benefits of silence. No. Point 1. Silence helps you focus on your goals. No. Point 2. Silence helps you become a conscious, reducing your mental stress. No. Point 3. Silence helps you become a successful person. No. Point 4. Silence connects you to your Lord. The 5 biggest disadvantages of being silent. No. Point 1. People will think you are an arrogant person. No. Point 2. People will think that you are a shy person. No. Point 3. 41 people will not be friends with you because it is difficult for them to understand and know you. No. Point 4. People will use you for their own 41 purposes because a quiet person is usually a good person. No. Point 5. People will terrorize and bully 44 you because they know you won't fight back. So it's okay to be quiet sometimes, but don't be quiet all the time. Furthermore, don't be quiet when your values are attacked because people will think you're weak and a coward. Silence is a very good habit if you use it at the right time and in the right circumstances. Always remain silent in the 5 states. No. Point 1. When you feel that no one can understand your feelings with your words, keep silent. No. Point 2. When you don't know what to say, if you have doubts about your thoughts and knowledge of certain aspects, stay silent. No. Point 3. You don't need to be a part of that kind of negativity when someone is criticizing another person. No. Point 4. When someone screams and rants in anger and hate, you calm the person down. No. Point 5. Try to remain silent when someone else is emotionally sharing some of your life events. I hope you like this video of mine. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much.